Alright, today we are going to be working on lesson activity 4.5 and trying to get to 4.6. We're going to be talking about surface area of spheres and finding volume. Recall that a circle is a set of all points in two dimensions that are equidistant from the center of a circle. The sphere can be thought of as a three-dimensional circle. The volume of sphere is given by the equation V V equals 4/3 pi r cubed, where r represents the radius. Determine the volume of each sphere when given radius length. So all we have to do is calculate this in. So if we rewrite this, V equals 4 divided by 3 pi, and we know r is 2.2, and then we do cube. And your fancy Nancy calculator in your tablet, you're going to need to do this. If you type in alpha y equals, and then type 4/3, do the right arrow, hit second caret to give the pi symbol, so it should look like 4/3 over, or 4/3 pi, do parentheses 2.2, close parentheses, and then do caret 3, which gives you the square root of 3. So by doing that, you end up coming out to be volume equals 44.6, and we're going to round up to the hundredths, 0, and it's going to be cubic because we did this by 3. This is always meaning it's going to be cubic inches. Now we're going to do the same thing for number 4, or I'm sorry, for B, and I'm going to have you do C and D on your own. V equals 3 over, it is 4/3 pi, parentheses 4, and then a 3 symbol. Type it in your calculator. Y equals, or alpha y equals 4, down arrow 3, right arrow, second caret to give the pi symbol, parentheses 4, close parentheses, caret 3. Enter. Comes up to be 268.08 cubic centimeters. So you can put cm. Now, as I said, I want you on your own to get credit, need to do C and D on your own. It is literally just put the number in for where the radius is, type in your calculator, and you are all good. That's it. You will work on that and come back to it after we do this next part here. Just make sure you do that before you submit the work, please. Okay. You can think of a sphere as a solid figure with bases that are points. Each of these points has an area of 0. So the total surface area of a sphere is equal to its lateral surface area. So total surface area is the same as lateral. It's the same thing, which is 4 pi r squared is how you find it. So it's telling us apply the formula to determine the total and lateral surface area of the sphere shown. Okay, so they give us the radius, so we just type it in as 4 pi 5.2 squared. You type this in your calculator once again. 4 second caret, give you pi symbol, parentheses 5.2, close parentheses, and then caret 2 ends up being 339.79 squared inches. So the way you can tell is if it's got a 2, exponent 2 is squared, a 3 is cubed, and that's all we're going to do. We're not going to do a 4 yet. Okay. Compare the volumes and surface areas of spheres in question 1, part A and part D. How does the doubling in radius affect the volume of sphere? You haven't done D yet. But after you're done with doing D, I want you to come back in and write in what 3 was. I want you to just compare. I'm going to put in different colors. Compare A and compare D when the number is doubled. Because A is 2.2 inches and D is 4.4 inches. So it's a double. Now, with this today, I'm going to actually stop my video short today. Because I'm going to have you guys finish up those problems, and I want you guys to get caught up since I have not had items turned in. So I want you guys to get caught up on the rest of this because we are going to be having a test coming very soon. So I want to make sure that we are set and prepared for this. So make sure you go and get caught back up on anything you have not done yet on this assignment, okay? Tomorrow, we are going to finish this 4.6 and the activity 4.6, as well as I have a practice worksheet that we are going to do tomorrow. So make sure you get this caught up because tomorrow is that. And then on Wednesday and Thursday is a study guide, and Friday will be your test. Make sure you guys get caught up. Make sure, don't forget to do C and D as well as number 3 so that you compare the 3 parts. Remember, we have a Zoom meeting tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Please be there. It's just going to be a check-in, see how everybody's doing. Thank you guys and have a great day.